boy Slowboy VQ, aka Only Chris. Back to y'all with another video. I got one. If this guy can move, I got two right there. I got both my cars outside, so we're gonna be doing a video of both of the cars. As you can see from the title of the thumbnail, we got this loud ass bike in the back. This nigga over here messing up my intro and shit. But yeah. What? What? Shut up! It don't matter. But yeah. Alright. So we're gonna get ready with the drive. He's, as you know, Superstar Jail gonna be driving my car.
What's going on, bro? What's going on, man? What's going on YouTube, man? Y'all stay tuned for this, man. We about to get lit. Y'all get this video too. How much likes? How much views, bro? How much likes, bro? Listen,
views?
I get it to 5K likes, 10K likes, 5K likes, 10K likes, 5K, 10K likes. Y'all just video, man. Y'all tune in, man. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Y'all show love. We about to get lit for y'all, bro.
Hey, y'all heard the goal. He said it, not me.
Hey, look,
yeah.
5K likes, million views, man. Fuck it, man. Y'all turn this shit up, man. We about to turn up all year for the summertime, man.
Summertime finna go dumb. Why is she rubbing on my car like that?
It's fake.
Alright. Alright. See, this is why we can't have shit. But yeah. So, we gonna get to it.
Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all enjoy the POV. Get y'all snacks. Let's turn up, bro.
Bet.
All year.
Honestly, I'm gonna give y'all a quick update on the Q2. The Q is pretty much fucked. Yeah. We gotta change out a whole bunch of parts. The sun damaged this part, the carbon up here, and as y'all can see from the hood, it has damaged the hood. All right, bro, we get it. So this car needs a whole bunch of fixing. This car needs some downpipes.
You could have pulled me over. I would have been the meanest fucking Swift holding it.
Yeah. All right, y'all.
Hey, man. You ever seen the little trooper behind us?
What?
You know troopers?
Nah, we good. We good. We good.
I like your car.
Like your car too, man.
You know what I'm saying?
What you got done?
Supercharged?
Super what?
Supercharged?
Supercharge. All right, let's see what that supercharger do.
You got done. What
God damn! Yo, that's just too loud. Yo, that car is too loud. Yo, that car is too loud, y'all. Yo, this car is so fun, bro. Yo. This car is too loud, bro. For what it is, that car is way too loud. Yo, God. My bad, gang.
Let that fuck man behind the scene. Ran over a whole bunch of glass.
This car is way too loud, bro. I see what DJ be talking about now. That shit is way too loud. Nah. Yo! 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 Yo, you hear him in the back? Look at him. Yo! Why is he so mad? Man, I'm lost for words right now. Honestly, I didn't get a lot of stuff because of what happened. Honestly, I'm gonna break it down to y'all, right? We was cruising. There was some Pontiac twin turbo flying past us. So, you know me. Somebody flying past me, I'm gonna fly past them too, right? So, I did. And unfortunately, we ran into Mexico police. And we ran into Mexico police.
The first one, the Tahoe.
We ran into a Tahoe, a Charger,
And then the Charger and the Explorer. Ran into Mexican police cops.
yeah, yeah, bro.
Nothing real.
Yeah, nothing's real. Yeah, he's definitely not real.
Yeah, but let's get your man. Y'all watch
Yeah, but honestly, guys, I'm gonna do a better job. Honestly, I'm gonna redo this video with a GoPro though. When I do it with a GoPro, it's gonna be better quality and everything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video off right here. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. This is gonna be kind of like a short video-ish. We're gonna see what happens. And look at
like,
this guy.
comment, subscribe, man. Y'all show love. More is coming soon. When I get back to my whip, y'all really have some more crazy POVs, bro. Real simple. Y'all stay tuned for this. When he get back, more POVs for him too. This time not be hungry. So, I love all y'all. Intro, outro, whatever, man.
Yeah, so like you said, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be back this summer. We're going crazy, bro. I'm gonna get the Supra up and running. I'm gonna get the Q up and running. Everything's gonna be up and running, you guys. This video is just so I can get content out there. You feel me? I haven't been posting a lot, so this was a great video just to bring out both of the cars and everything like that. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next vid. Peace.